Hi guys, Madison here. Today I wanted to try to do something a little more fun. I wanted to see if I could kind of go back in time and search on Pinterest and find the painting that made me say I have to try acrylic pouring. So I have my iPad right here, and I was just gonna pull up Pinterest, so I have it here, and then see if we can find those paintings. So I'm just gonna type in acrylic swipe. Okay, so here's what we're seeing. Oh, you guys, I see it right here. Let me show you. All right, this is it. YouTube Painting Challenge 3-color swipe. I remember seeing this and thinking it was just the coolest thing. I remember going like, how do they get those colors to go together like that? And now looking back at it, I think I can do it better. No offense or anything to the person who did this. This was a long time ago, man. This was like 4 years ago that I found this post. Now that we've found our inspiration, let's see if we can make it better. I think we're gonna have fun trying to recreate this pour. In the spirit of transparency for today's video, I wanted to make sure to show you the products that I'm using to recreate this painting. I will have them all linked down below. Next, we're gonna go ahead and just mix together those paints. Here I'm showing you my floetral to paint ratio and how I mix up my paints. First, I added about 7 pumps of the black. Here in real time, I'm adding the blue and pink. I would say it's about 1/3 paint to 2/3 floetral. Typically, I do not measure my paint and floetral. Different paints will have different consistencies, so what is the most important is going to be how fluid your paint is at the end of your mixing. One time I heard somebody compare it to pancake batter, and I think that's a pretty fair association. Here you can see the consistency of my paint. It is coming off of my stick smoothly, but it does make these like little baby mounds when it hits the paint inside the cup. Now it's time to put our paints to the test and see if we can recreate this swipe. I did add just a little bit too much blue, so I ended up taking off some of it off camera. And then with precision, we are adding our pink blobs. And finally, to swipe today, I am using a dry paper towel. Before our close-up, let's remember what we are trying to recreate. And here is our final result. I think ours is a little different today because I don't use silicone oils in my paints. I only use floetral, and it does look like in their painting they had some sort of silicone or cell activator to make their cells a lot bigger. Mine are a lot finer, but I do think I capture that pink blue ombre with the black lacing that really made me want to try acrylic pouring. If you think I succeeded today, please let me know in the comments. If you think I should have done something different, I would love to hear it as well. But for this piece, this is not the end. I don't have a dried result to show you today because I did end up taking this piece and going one step further and giving it a Maddie Sun art spin. Just something that I think if my past self would have seen, I would have been very proud of. I hope you guys come back for the next video to see what happens with this piece and how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye!